Hi there. Good morning. How are you doing? Hope you are doing well. Today, I have come up with a very interesting topic, which is how do companies choose a particular solution or technology or a tech stack, whatever you call it. This is a very common question which I have come up with. People have asked me, sorry. And the answer is very simple. You understand what your requirements are, you understand what your performances needs are, then you go online. There's a host of websites, G2, Gartner, and a lot of stuff, Trust Radius. Read about those technologies, talk to some analysts, talk to some people who are using it, and then come up with a solution. And that may be the right fit for you, right? If you can do some POCs, it's wonderful. But actually, the reasons why a particular technology is used, or a tech stack is used, or a solution is used is pretty different. The number one is, this is a skill set which I have in house, so I'm pretty much going to use it, right? Which is fine. Or the second one is, this is a skill set which my vendor or my service provider has, or he has proposed, right? So I'm going to stick with it. First, I trust him, and secondly, he already has a skill set, right? Which is also fine. Third is, maybe the CEO or the MD or the owner, they rely on someone, they like someone who advises them on these kind of solutions, and they go by that, right? I had a customer whose MD was very much vocal about technology, and he had a mythical friend who used to crop up during these discussions and say, "My friend told me this," right? Maybe that is his way of saying that I want this technology to be implemented, but don't question me, or don't go in depth into it, because this was told by my friend, right? So these could be some of the reasons why you basically choose a solution or a technology, and then you try figuring out, how should I go and use it, right? Should I go and use it on AWS? Does it work on Azure? Because I'm using this technology, do I need a middleware, or how do I connect it with others? What would be the front end with this technology, and so on and so forth. Keep in mind, actually, when you are choosing this technology, all of these is fine. The methods of choosing this technology is fine, but there are some basic things which you also need to keep in mind, apart from the performance and usages. Ensure that they are open-ended technologies. Ensure that they support microservices. Ensure that they have a longevity. More people are supporting it. There are larger conglomerates who are part of it, so that the technology is growing, so that you don't have a technology which dies in 5-6 years, right? Because your core platform is running on it, and after 5-6 years, if you have to then again reinvent it, rebuild it, it's going to be not only a pain and cost, but it's also going to be very expensive in terms of replacing the old one with a new one, and then have the whole headache of again stabilizing it and making it secure and safe, right? So keep these things in mind. All of these, the hardcore requirements are important, plus the softer things will definitely play a role in choosing a technology. Also, there may be other reasons, like because Facebook uses it, because Google uses it, it's safer to use that kind of technology, right? So that could be also another reason. So all of these put together is how you decide what is a solution or a stack or technology you're going to use it. And then people start building solutions around it, start looking for ways and means to overcome any kind of hurdles which come across, which they come across during the actual implementation or architecture and POCs and all of that, right? Hope this helps, and keep good care of yourself. Take good care of yourself, and thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.